This particular video is actually not for every single person, but if you're ready to start making money from Telegram, then this video is for you. Now, a lot of people move to TikTok and Facebook because they want to earn from these platforms, but Telegram is actually turning out to be one of the best paying apps. Let me explain. The reason for this is that Telegram is partnered up with a lot of crypto projects, and the money that they are earning from these crypto projects are helping them to pay their users. And a lot of people have actually started taking advantage of this, but it is not yet saturated. And so you're watching this video, you are getting in time with making money from Telegram like you are on time. So you need to watch this video, use the steps I share on this video to make the most out of this. Now I'll share how you can actually build an audience so that you can monetize your Telegram channel and start making money from it. And I'll show you how to do this step by step. Now all I need you to do is to like this video and leave a comment showing appreciation, because obviously, this update is one of the best in the industry, as no one will actually give you this kind of opportunity. And also, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications, because on our next video, I'll be showing you how you can get started with other opportunities and make the most out of other opportunities. So you want to get subscribed to Rolladell so that you don't miss out on those opportunities. As you can see, my wallet has way over $70 and I have been withdrawing to my Bybit account. Now I want you to understand something. Telegram is paying out in ton, which you can withdraw to your wallet and straight to your bank. There's also what we call Telegram wallet. Now on this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Telegram channel and start making money once you monetize your Telegram channel. Now to get a Telegram channel, you need at least 1,000 subscribers. You don't need to worry at all, because I'll actually be showing you how to get this 1,000 subscribers, because it is very easy. That is something you must understand. Don't look at the problem and say, no, this problem is too difficult. I can't solve it. I have been trying. I can't. You just need the right people to share the right information that will help you to solve your problem. And that's what I am here for. That's why I've said, if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe to Rolladell now. You're not subscribing for me. You're subscribing for yourself, because the information I share will help you to become successful. Now to create a channel is very easy. All you need to do is to come down here and click on here, and then click on where you see a new channel, click on it, and then create a channel name, put a picture, put description, and boom, you have created your channel. Very easy. Now the next step is how to start gaining subscribers. Now that's what I'll show you. Now if you listen to what I was saying, I said that you need to share value to get an audience. If you are not sharing value, you won't get an audience. People only follow people because of the value that they share. The best way to gain subscribers is through rolladell.com, a freelance marketplace where people offer services like selling subscribers and boosting social media engagement. You can visit rolladell.com, browse the services available, and quickly grow your subscriber count, helping you to build an audience faster and effectively. Once you start driving traffic to your Telegram channel and people start liking your videos, you can also send screenshots of reactions to your WhatsApp status and encouraging others to come in too. So you tell people, if you like this video, drop a like, drop a reaction to the video. Let me go to Telegram and show you something. Let's go to our channel rolade.com. If you haven't joined our channel, go ahead and do so. You'll see some reactions like this. You tell people to react to your videos. Now when you have reactions like this, you can take a screenshot of these reactions and go and post them on your status and put your link below those pictures, just so that more people can get it. This will be your own concept. Now I hope that this will help you to make money on Telegram for the longest time. More videos.